Hello everyone. Welcome to Alice's Kitchen. Today we are doing something exciting. We've got a gender review happening. So I'm just going to show you how you can prepare gender review cupcakes. So what I've done is I've just made some chocolate cupcakes, and I have got here a cupcake corer, which I'm going to use to remove the middle of the cupcake. After removing the middle of the cupcake, I'll then fill it up with the color of the gender of the baby, close it off, and then just pipe it white on top. That way the surprise is hidden inside. So I'll just quickly show you how you can do that. So what you do is you just dip this inside like that. Then when you remove it, you've got a hole in the middle, and I've got a plate just on the side where I'll be popping what I have removed from the center. Because I still need it, I'm going to use it to cover back once I'm done. So you do that for all of them. So I've now removed the centers from all 12 of my cupcakes. The next thing is I've got my color here. So the baby is a baby girl. I've colored my buttercream pink and I've just put it in a piping bag. You don't need a tip, it's not necessary, but you can put one if you want. So what we're gonna do is we'll just come, put some in here, don't overfill it. And once that's done, it's up to you. You can leave it like that, and then you can just come with your white icing, or you can then take those bits that you removed from the center, pop them back like that. You just have to gently push them. And there you go. I've just shown you a very quick trick of how you can do gender review, depending of course on the gender of the baby. Either use pink or you can use blue, and then the tops will be all white, nothing else, because we don't want to sell the secret out. And so hope you have learned something new today, and it's very quick and easy to do. Thank you.